Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Keep into your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to install Google Keep, you just simply have to open your Play Store application into your phone. Then after that, simply open this search bar at the top, and after opening the search bar, simply search for Google Keep. After searching Google Keep, this application with a light bulb logo into yellowish paper will appear. Just simply open that application and then tap into this install button. Then after doing this very easy steps, depending on your internet speed, your Google Keeps Notes and List application will be downloaded into your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.